Well, today I got another project, and this is what the plan is right here. I made this portable little greenhouse. It works great. I've got to make another one of these for that, and it's going to be a little bit different. Got to grab the wire, chicken wire, because that's going to be the bones of it here. I'm gonna get that, and I need to get some. I need some cutters. This could probably do it both. I measured that one. That one's 83 inches circumference of the greenhouse, my mini greenhouse. So spring back. Watch out. Here we go. Ah! So now I'll make it right there. So right now I'm just bending these over so it could stick to itself using its own wires. And now make it taller. Make this about up to here, probably. Make it taller so the little tomato plant could go high. So there's 18 squares, so you go in 9. Simple math. And then we're going to cut it right in the middle. I need the wire on both sides too, so I can sew that to the other frame. Now I'm just sewing together. Just adding this, make a little sew. Alrighty, so now I have to measure this, some visqueen, just to go around it. And actually, and it came out just right. It's the same height. That's weird. That's the damnedest thing, which is cool. Anyway, I just need to get a piece of this to go clean around. Check this out. So now I'm going to tape it up more, and then we'll see what we got. Now this thing is going to need a top. This screen, I'm just going to cut a circle, and I'm going to put it right up here and tape her. All right, I just cut the circle out, and I just put it on there and hold it down, so I'm just taping it now with some duct tape. Let's make a pass at the top first. This will makes it stronger. That should do her. Let's go try it on. Look at that. Looks pretty sweet. This one needs to be extended. So let's go extend this guy. Put that on there. So the same thing. I just gotta see these. You can just bend them over, which should be pretty cool. I cut this 20 inches because it's like 20 inches here, and I'm just gonna tape it to it. Well, there's much to it, and I just added the bottom on. I just added 1.5 feet. So those should do good now. Yeah, greenhouse. One more chore out of the way. Looking good. Sweet.